four easy ways to reach from Guwahati to Tawang in the northeastern part of India. Now, these four options are possible throughout the year, regardless of whether it's raining or it's snowing. You can take either of these options throughout the year. Number one is for you to take the direct bus from ISBT Guwahati to Tawang. The bus leaves every day in the morning at 11:30 and reaches the next day at around 6 in the morning. Now, this journey is by a non-AC semi-sleeper bus. It is by Network Travels or Zenab. You can book them online directly from their websites, and they cost anywhere between 1,200 to 1,400 rupees. There is the second option, which is for you to take the bus from the same travels, which will go overnight, but it leaves in the evening. It leaves at around 8 o'clock in the evening and it reaches the next morning at 5 p.m. But this reaches Bomdila. From Bomdila, you can make your way by either hiring a private vehicle or taking the shared sumos, which leave in the morning at 6 a.m. from Bomdila to Tawang. So these are the two options which are perfect for solo travelers and budget travelers to get to Tawang, because they are very economical, and at the same time you can get directly to Tawang with the first option, and you can break journey and explore Bomdila and then reach Tawang the next day, depending on how you want to go. The third option is another budget option, but it's a very cramped up option. That is for you to take the shared sumo from Guwahati to Tawang, which will cost you 2,000 rupees per seat. But remember, these vehicles leave in the morning at around 5:30 and they reach Tawang the same day by around 7 or 8 in the evening. It's a one-day journey during the day, but it is a very cramped up experience because you have to sit in the same sumo with 10 other people, because it's a driver plus 10 passengers, 2 in the front next to driver, 4 in the middle row and 4 at the back row. So that's a very, very cramped up experience. So if you want to do the day journey in a budget to see the side for a good sightseeing experience, then you can take it, but make sure that you get a window seat in the front, otherwise it's going to be a real bummer. The fourth option is for you to hire a private taxi, which is the most common way for people to get to Tawang from Guwahati. You can hire a sedan like a Swift Desire, which will cost you anywhere between 4 to 5,000 rupees per day, depending on the duration of your trip. Longer the trip, the more affordable is the vehicle cost. The second option is in the taxis is for you to take a SUV, which will cost you anywhere between, I would say, 6,000 to 7 or 8,000, depending on which vehicle you're going for. And the final option is for you to take a tempo traveler, which will cost you anywhere between 10 to 11,000. So now these are the four ways you can reach Tawang with multiple vehicles. When you're doing the day journey with a taxi, the best place for you to break journey is at Baluk Pong, so that you have enough of rest.